My name's Gordon Smith, and I'm a senior scientist at a company called Fixed Phage Limited. We're a small company based in Glasgow in Scotland, and as you may guess from the name, our primary interest is in bacteriophages. Just in case, sorry for teaching your grand how to suck eggs, bacteriophages are obviously viruses that target and kill specific bacteria. And listening to, first of all, thank you all for letting me part of your biofilm group and introducing me to your wonderful world and all the issues that are still there, because I think phages could have some good solutions for them. Bacteriophages interact with biofilms in several ways. They can bury into the biofilm, target the specific bacteria. They can bury into the biofilm, make the bacteria upregulate compounds that degrade the biofilm, which results in its destruction. Or they can select for the growth of non-pathogenic bacteria, only targeting the pathogenic ones, keeping the kind of beneficial flora, or keeping the ones that can outcompete the pathogenic bacteria. What our company brings to it is proprietary technology that allows us to stick phages onto surfaces. This is a kind of irreversible immobilization, but it also seems to stabilize the phages and against a lot of environmental stressors, which kind of increases their application in a lot of harsh environments. And so thinking about biofilm prevention, about the comments about toxic products, phages are a natural product found in all the environments, and it could be a good solution to a lot of the problems that we brought up today. Looking at the bigger picture, you also have a lot of the problems we in the phage world have with communication with governments, regulators, putting the good word out about biofilms. We need to put the good word about phages. They're very prominent in the Eastern Bloc, but we've never really used them in the West. So instead of doubling my work, I suggest that we join forces and share our experiences with talking to regulators that we both have from the different fields, and just keep collaborating on these kind of important subjects. The only interest we have from our clients is about killing bacteria. Nobody mentions biofilms unless we say it to them, unless we say that's actually what your problem is. So yeah, thank you again. That's all I really wanted to say. If you want to ask me anything about phages or about our company, about working with us, we're a very collaborative organization. We still do a lot of R to complement our D. Then just come and find me, or find me on LinkedIn, or send me a message. Thank you all very much for listening.